Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the next video of the series 2 Minutes Vocabulary, your daily dose of English. Let's start with the idiom of the day. The idiom of the day is be in two minds, and the meaning is to be unable to decide something, having two opinions or idea about something. An important thing to be noted here is that this idiom, be in two minds, is more popular in UK, whereas in US, we normally use to be of two minds. The meaning of both is the same. Both of them, be in two minds and to be of two minds, means the same. The only difference is that one is used in UK and the other one is used in US. Example. With the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, the government is in two minds about reopening the schools. I don't know about the origin of the idiom. I was not able to find it. The idiom was first recorded in 1853, but not much is known about its origin. Moving ahead to the word of the day. Now, the word of the day also means the same as to be in two minds. The word of the day is quandary. It means dilemma or catch-22. These are the synonyms of quandary. Quandary can be used as a noun and it means a state of not being able to decide what to do. So that state of confusion, that undecided state is known as a quandary. The examples are, with the number of COVID-19 patients rising in the country, the government is in a quandary about whether to extend the lockdown or not. Now, I have given another example of catch-22 because I wanted you to understand how to use this word also. So, the example of catch-22 is the government is caught in a catch-22 situation, unable to choose between extending the lockdown and saving the economy. The origin of catch-22. The origin of catch-22 is from Joseph Heller's novel of the same name. Joseph Heller coined the term in his 1961 satirical war novel Catch-22, which describes a situation from which an individual cannot escape because of contradictory rules and limitations. Let's move on to the phrasal verb of the day. The phrasal verb of the day is give way, and the meaning is to collapse. Example, a new bridge on Vanganga River in Madhya Pradesh gave way on Sunday amid heavy rain. That's all for the day. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.